While we're up here, the Excursion is making its way through its processes. It has now been detailed. The seats are done and looking great. They turned out really good. We had the option to get with the limited embroidered, and we didn't skimp out because of price. It was going to add about 6 weeks to the process of getting them. So it does not have the limited embroidered on the Excursion area. Alvin cleaned the undercarriage thoroughly, and cool part about this one is it doesn't leak. Even my guys in the shop mentioned that when they got underneath of it. But it does have a faded paint issue, which we'll have to be addressing. But runs out to what we've driven it so far very well. 7.3 Excursion with no rust, which is completely shocking, even to us. And we got the door locks working properly. No rust. And you would definitely think that it has had these replaced. But here is the original stampings, and you can actually see the wear where the door has been rubbing against it, which is one of the parts that makes the rust start festering. This is the other part. There's a huge trap area from the inside and the outside, and these boards have a pocket area right there that traps stuff. So Excursions, unfortunately, are very sustainable to rust very quickly. I'll get a list of the extra mods on this truck too. I believe it might have an upgraded turbo. It definitely has upgraded intercooler pipes, might even have an upgraded intercooler. As we get a chance to go through the service side, we'll get over all those details on what additional upgrades this thing has, but it does have exhaust, definitely a tuner, an air box, lift kit, Fox shocks, and the blue square body is about to get its exhaust wrapped up.